Alright, 100K away. Back with another video with y'all. You know what I'm saying? Today, we gotta go to the mechanic because we got little issues, little situations. You know what I'm saying? Not something minor though. What's it called? My damn remote keep not wanting to work. And it's happened on 2 occasions, both of which I was like out. Well, one time it happened and the other key was with me, so I mean it was chilling, it was straight. But the first time it happened, I was at a car meet. It was me and Bernard, and like it was on a really cold day. It was cold as shit, and I wanted to sit in the car, warm for a little bit. Walked up to the car, nothing was responding. Like the key. Oh, hold on. Okay. Yeah, the key wasn't working. Like I pressed unlock lock on it, nothing was happening. Walked up, grabbed the door because it has what's it called, like what's that shit called, man? When you walk up to the, I'm gonna figure it out. I'm gonna just edit out this week and try to figure out what it is. Keyless entry, bam, that is. It got keyless entry, so I really shouldn't have had any issues. But like I said, I walked up to the door, pulled the handle, wouldn't open, wouldn't respond. Press the trunk, press panic, I was pressing every button on the dang the remote, but it just wasn't working. So I'm like, I need to get this checked out. I don't know if the battery's down or what, but this happened to me twice already. First time I was like, maybe it was an anomaly. Second time I was like, all right, it's not a anomaly. Like something's going on. So bring it over to my guys what's it? I'm gonna get the official name for y'all because I'm gonna plug him. Well, y'all gonna see when I pull up too. He got his big sign and everything. But I'm gonna go to my my expert guy when it comes to these BMWs, and yeah, I'm gonna tell. Oh my damn thing froze. Hold up, we're gonna get right back with y'all. Alright, we back. Just pulled up. King's Automotive. Did it, guys. Well, they got it all out here, man. I don't know, it's kind of blurry. It's because it rained, but you know what I'm saying? They got it all out here, man. I just seen the GTR back there, so we're gonna park up and see if we can get up in here. So yeah, so I'll get back with you in a second. Man, look at this 340 they got out here, man. Got the damn wheels on it, John. That shit go crazy. They got the older Z4 out here, M4. What else? M3, E90. Got the Nissans out here, 340, M3, Honda. That's a surprise. 240, is that 240? Audi. So it's a nice lineup out here, man. I'm telling you, man, it's the guy. It's the guy, bro. You need anything done to BMW, King's Automotive. I'm seeing a number right there. At for the socials and everything. Pull up to him, bro. He does a lot of good work. Honest mechanic. Not gonna fuck you over. Not gonna fuck up your car, you know what I'm saying? He work on M's all from 3 series, 2 series, all the way up to 8 series. He does it all, so pull up, support him if you have any needs with your BM or something. We gonna get up out of here though. I'm wet as hell. My seat's wet now. Oh my gosh. But basically, got the battery switched on my remote. Where is it actually? Where did I put my remote? Oh, here it is. Got the battery switched on it because, like I said, went to 2 car meets. Actually, no, I went to 1 car meet and I was at the spa with my fiance, and my remote just was not working. I was fortunate enough to, be with my fiance, and she had her key, so we were able to use the car. But I was like, yo, like, it's kind of scary to be somewhere and your key doesn't work because you're like, all right, well, I'm not gonna get home. I'm like, do I need to call a tow truck? Like, you never know. Like, you really never know. So, he changed the key. He was saying that these usually go out within, every 2 years. And I am approaching 2 years within having the car, so it would make sense. But, yeah, so hopefully it works better. Well, I guess we'll keep the channel updated if we're having any issues afterwards. But it's brand new battery, shouldn't be any issues. And, yeah, we should be good now. So, yeah. And I don't know if this is going to be the end of the video, but we may check back in with you guys in a little later. Alright. Yo, check it out. So this is another day. I'm probably going to loop in the video from the day I went to get my key fob fixed to the mechanic. But this is several days later. It actually is still raining though, which is, you know, coincidence. But we're going to go meet up with Vanglorious. He's going to help me install some parts on the engine bay. Maybe do the spoiler. I don't know if we'll be able to do that today, but I'm gonna try to. That's on my to-do list. It's on my mission for today and things that I want to accomplish. Right now we are at the gas station. If you know, can't tell, gassing up because we're about an hour away from you, so it's gonna be a little journey, but you know, it's always worth it. See good people, and you know, he's gonna help me do some things with Supra, so it's all good, it's all love. So we'll tap in with you guys when we get there. Stay tuned. Yo, that's a 458 Speciale. Damn. Look at that 458. Yo, I actually think I can keep up with these though, like for real, because it's an NAV8. It's not the new like twin turbo unit they putting in the F8. So I want to say it's making like what 450. I mean, these are all rough estimates. None of this is confirmed. I don't know. I'm just talking out my ass right now. But I believe they making like 450 to the wheel. Yo, this motherfucker behind me on the camera. If I get away from him, you gonna crash out. I got you, Brody. I got you. But yeah, I think Supra can keep up with him. Because, you know, BMW under raced engines, that missing a turbo, so he's not gonna bought a low down torque. And I think they weigh roughly around the same thing. So, you know, I think they can keep up with it. But I never ran a 458. And Brody's windows is tinted like a motherfucker, so I don't even think he interested in going for a run. And it's raining, and it's traffic, so it's not ideal conditions, but it will be nice. Yeah, we're gonna tap in with you when we get to Vanglorious' place for the update on what we're doing today. So yeah, stay tuned. You got the top dropped on it and everything. It's a clean 718, drop top and all, man. This is nice.
This is really interesting because I actually have the damn sticker. Oh, you got the Maroni sticker too. Look at that. Let me see. You're asking for a good number then. 65. Yeah. That's honestly, and you know, the average price for this car right now is well, it's long going and it's a short.
Damn.
And the spec of this is really good because look at it. Yeah. I'll definitely capture it.
Look how clean this is. Interior is pristine. Look at it. Porsche, man. You a real car guy. This is like the angle, the standard. Look at that.
recovery. Go and throttle up.